Welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can disable a Snapchat calls. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access to unlimited content of knowledgeful and interesting tech videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Snapchat app, and then I want to really clear you that there is not any option by which you can simply disable a Snapchat calls by a click of a button, but you there is but we can switch the settings for that. So firstly, what you need to do, you can simply long hold, you have to simply open your Snapchat app, and then you have to go to your chat sections by clicking on this bottom chat options you can see here. After that, when you come to this chat page, you can long hold any of your chats, and then you can see this page right here. Then here you can see the second option, chat settings. Tap on the chat settings, and when you tap on the chat settings, you can see in the very second last options you can see the message notifications. So here you have to toggle this option to off. So you have to simply toggle this message notification to off, and then tap on the done button. And what it will do, and it will disable the notifications that you are getting. So what it will do, you will not be receiving uh, the calls notifications directly to your phone. So that's it, that how you can disable a Snapchat calls. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you next